Don't let this mammoth deal pass you by. Hey, it's Jeremy and Josh from the Rise Real Estate team with Keller Williams. Today, we are in Centertown showcasing our newest unit at 203 Catherine Street. When it comes to real estate, it is all about location, and this unit is in the heart of it all.
And we're just steps away from a few of my favorite places on Bank Street, like Moo Shu Ice Cream, Wilf and Ada's Brunch and Breakfast, and Julia's Pizzeria. This studio unit is both convenient and cozy. It has in-unit laundry and a nice little kitchen with quartz counters and a gas stove and cook range.
If you want this unit, you gotta grind. You gotta hustle. You gotta push through challenges. And if you put in an offer, don't give up.
Hey, Josh, I like the energy. Did you have your coffee this morning? When it comes to condo living, amenities are crucial, and this party room is no exception. It allows you to entertain your family and friends, and we're right off of the terrace pool with 360-degree views of the city.